In this video, you will learn how to find your W-2 form on Paycom. First, visit the Paycom website at paycom.com. Then, enter your username and password to log into your account. If you do not have an account, set up an account and follow the instructions. After that, navigate to the tax section. Once logged in, find Pay or My Pay menu. This can vary depending on your company settings. Then, under the Pay section, look for options like Tax Settlement or W-2. Now, download your W-2. You should see a list of tax forms from your current and previous years. Select the year you need, then click on the W-2 form. Now, you can download it. You may have the option to print it directly or save it as a PDF. Finally, if you cannot find your W-2 form, contact your company's HR or payroll. Alternatively, Paycom also offers support for those who cannot find it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.